Welcome to our YouTube channel Mayank for Tech. Today I will discussing with you computer fundamentals. After going through this video, we know generation of computer, basic computer organization and storage unit, CPU, input, output and memory. I really hope this is valuable session for you. Let's just start with it. Generation of computer. It provides a framework for growth of computer. First generation is start 1942 to 1955. The digital computer using electronic value vacuum tube are known as first generation of computer. Second generation of computer 1955 to 1964. The generation of computer use transistor for CPU component. Third generation is 1964 to 1975. In this generation, computer use integrated circuit IC for CPU component. In fourth generation computer 1975 to 1989. In this generation, computer use VLSI chip for both CPU and memory. A CPU consists of one or more microprocessor. Computer with artificial intelligence are also being developed. Fifth generation is 1989 to present. This generation computer are under developed stage. This computer will use USLI chip. Such computer will use integrated programming known as problem and improve human-machine interface. Punch card were used as input device. Binary code or machine language are using for programming. They were more than 10 times faster than first generation. GUI enable then new user to quick learn how to use component. Basic computer organization. This is important topic for in examination. Input process to enter data and instruction into a computer system. Storing, saving data and instruction. Process perform arithmetic operator such as add, subtract, divide, etc. and or logic operator. Output process a production useful information or result. Control directing the manner and sequence in which the above operator are performed. This is the block diagram of computer organization. Input take data or program. Output give result. Storage unit is primary storage and secondary storage. In primary storage RAM and secondary storage follow ROM. And CPU a control unit and arithmetic unit. Control unit is component of CPU. It's the component a memory, arithmetic and logic unit and input and output unit. ALU it is a perform arithmetic and bitwise. The diagram of organization of computer block diagram represent. Thank you for watching for this channel. Subscribe Mayank for Tech. This is fundamental of computer first lesson. I will come second lesson. I hope you enjoy this.